Hi, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are providing MA Economics MAC 001 और 101 Microeconomic Analysis Assignment Solutions। अगर आप चाहते हैं इन सभी के असाइनमेंट्स तो आप हमारे दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल कर सकते हैं। कॉल नंबर है 9009368238। Now we are discussing question number 1. The production function of a small factory that produces that sell toys is, where Q is the number of toys produced each day, L is the labor hours, and K is the machine hours. Suppose 9 labor hours and 9 machine hours are used every day. What is the maximum number of toys that can be produced in a day? Calculate the marginal product of the labor when 9 labor hours are used each day together with 9 machine hours. Suppose the firm doubles both the amount of labor and machine hours are used per day. Calculate the increase in output. Comment on the returns to scale in the operations. And define the term Sheffard lemma. Assume that the production function of a producer is given by where Q, L, and K denote output, labor, and capital respectively. If labor cost is 1 per unit and capital 2, find the least cost combination of unit inputs. If you have other queries related to the IGNOU issues like exam tips, exam related issues, and previous year papers, and eligibility criteria, and many more. So we are here for help you to provide any type of help. Thank you so much for watching.